Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check whether your docking station supports 2, 5, or 3, 5-inch drives and the SATA protocol. Next, connect the supplied power adapter to the dock and plug into a grounded outlet. This prevents drive spin-up failures. Once done, attach the data cable, USB or Thunderbolt, to your computer, but don't hot swap yet until the drive is seated. Make sure you're grounded with a wrist strap or touch metal to discharge static before handling the bare drive. With power connected, carefully slide the hard drive straight down into the dock until it seats. You'll feel or hear a click when pins align. Once the drive spins up, watch the dock LED and listen for a steady motor sound. This indicates proper power and connection. Then, on your computer, open Disk Management, Windows, or Disk Utility, Mac OS, to detect the new device, initialize, partition, or mount as needed. If prompted, choose the correct file system for your workflow. Perform your file transfers, cloning, or backups while keeping an eye on drive temperature and activity LEDs. This helps catch problems early. When finished, always eject the drive from the operating system first. Unmount or safely remove hardware. Then either power down the dock or follow the manufacturer's hot swap instructions before removing the drive. If the drive isn't recognized, try a different data cable or USB port. Confirm the power adapter output and test the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.